The little village of Harmony. In a pleasant valley surrounded by gentle hills, there lay a quaint little village called Harmony. The people of Harmony were known far and wide for their kindness, unity, and love for one another. In this village, there lived a diverse community of humans, each with their unique talents, dreams, and stories to share. There was Sarah, the skilled baker whose pastries could brighten even the gloomiest of days, Jack, the wise old storyteller who wove enchanting tales of adventure and wonder, and Maya, the compassionate healer who tended to the sick and injured with gentle care. Despite their differences, the people of Harmony lived in perfect harmony, embracing each other's strengths and celebrating their shared humanity. Every day, they would gather in the village square, where laughter echoed through the streets and music filled the air as they danced and sang together. One sunny morning, as the villagers went about their daily routines, they noticed a group of travelers approaching from afar. The travelers were weary and weather-beaten, their faces etched with sorrow and exhaustion. Without hesitation, the villagers rushed to greet them, offering food, shelter, and comfort. They listened intently to the travelers' tales of their journey, sharing in their triumphs and offering solace in their sorrows. Moved by the kindness and generosity of the villagers, the travelers were filled with a newfound sense of hope and gratitude. They marveled at the spirit of unity and compassion that permeated the village of Harmony and vowed to carry its message with them wherever they went. From that day forward, the village of Harmony became known as a beacon of light and love in a world filled with darkness and strife. People from far and wide would come to seek refuge and inspiration, drawn by the warmth of its embrace and the beauty of its spirit. And as the sun set behind the rolling hills, casting a golden glow upon the village below, the people of Harmony would gather once more in the village square, their hearts filled with gratitude for the gift of community and the boundless power of love to unite us all. The moral of the story is that kindness, unity, and compassion are the cornerstones of a harmonious and thriving community. By embracing diversity, celebrating each other's strengths, and extending a helping hand to those in need, we can create a world where love and understanding prevail. The story emphasizes the importance of empathy, generosity, and the profound impact that small acts of kindness can have on others, reminding us that by coming together as one human family, we can overcome any obstacle and create a brighter future for all. Thank you for watching the story. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.